Have you ever encountered a challenge where the market fails to reverse in a particular turning point where you've marked it to reverse? Let's say if the market is going for a buy and then you expect it to reverse in a particular resistance or on a particular trend line, instead of it reversing when it gets to that particular price point or that particular range, it rather breaks that particular price or range and then keeps going in the direction it was going initially. This scenario is what we call a breakout. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to easily spot and then catch a breakout on the market and then make some quick bucks for yourself. Having this skill is extremely essential to your trading journey, as a trader, you want to have diverse ways you're actually going to be able to catch trades. So if you remember, in one of my previous videos, I made mention of the various trading techniques you might have, whether you're trying to catch a reversal, whether you're trying to catch a continuation, whether you're trying to catch a breakout. So basically in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to easily spot and then catch a breakout on the market. If you can't wait for the gem I have for you today, make sure you're still subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like this video, it's extremely important. Also share it to as many traders as possible. We'll be right back. Basically, a breakout, like I said earlier, is when the market keeps going in the initial direction when you expect a reversal to happen. Meaning that if you expect the market to sell when it gets to a particular point, or you expect it to rather reverse and buy when it gets to a particular point, it keeps going in the initial direction. It means that if it's going up and it stops at your resistance, it will keep going up. Or when it's dropping and it stops on your support, it will keep going down. Or if it gets to your trend line, it will keep going in the initial direction. All these scenarios are what we call a breakout. So basically today I'll be teaching you how to easily be able to spot and then identify that this particular movement is a breakout. So let me try and take advantage of it, take a trade and then make some money for myself. Yesterday I actually took a trade with my trading community, the Common Forex trading community on Telegram. If you're here and you're not on the Common Forex trading community, trust me, you're missing out a lot, because 12,000 people actually benefited from this simple trading signal I sent out, which made us over 100 pips and counting. So if you're here and you are not in my Telegram trading community, make sure you click on the link in my description to join this trading community where I drop trading signals as well as trading insights on a daily basis. Without wasting my time, let's jump right into the charts. So basically, this trade was actually taken on EURCAD, as you can see here, the euro against the Canadian dollar. The market actually had a support here last week Wednesday where I expected a reversal to be on. I expected the market to actually do this and then reverse when it gets to this particular point. We failed to get our double bottom, rather we got a breakout. So once we got our breakouts, the market actually went to form a new low down here, came back to retest the previous support it was supposed to actually hit initially. So once it hits this support, it actually started consolidating. So it first gave an initial consolidation in this zone, and then it broke to the upside. If you guys remember, in one of my previous videos as well, I talked about the first ever trading strategy I used, where I talked about the bullish continuation as well as the bearish continuation. So if you look at this pattern here, this small consolidation here actually turns out to be one of the bullish continuation signals you can actually and easily find for yourself. So if you look at this chart, you realize that there's a simple bullish continuation you have here where the market rose, consolidated, and then it broke and went up for another continuation again. So once the market actually traveled up and went to this particular resistance, I'm sure a lot of traders were actually expecting it to finish consolidating and then drop to this particular support you have here. So let's see how the market played out and see if it actually ended up dropping back to that particular support or not. So we look at the next candle. So you realize that now the market was consolidating, so normally indicating a struggle between the bulls and the bears in the market, where the bulls are looking to push the market to keep going up. The bears are also looking to make it actually reverse in this particular zone. We keep waiting and seeing when we will be able to spot our breakout from this particular range. So normally when the breakout is about to happen, the consolidation you have on your chart is extremely long. So you sort of have something like a bullish flag rectangular pattern in here where the market will actually consolidate for some time, then finally breaking out of this zone to the upside. So now I just shaded my region. If you actually follow me on Instagram as well, I even dropped this insight on my Instagram as well. I posted a video of it when I was doing this sort of analysis on my Instagram stories. So if you're here, make sure you also follow me on Instagram at KOMMONFOREX. Now I simply just have to wait and see how the execution was going to be. It means that now I'm looking to take a buy. Now I just had my risk to reward here, expecting the breakout here, with a stop loss right below the range of the consolidation. Once the market breaks out and then comes down here, I no longer expect the breakout to happen. I want to see it keep moving before I make any final decision on that. So I simply just wait and see any bullish confirmation that tells me the market is about to go up. So this candle which actually forms here is what gives me the cue that the market is about to, so I might as well take a risk on it with my entry price right here my stop loss right below this. So I realized I was risking about 40 pips on this particular setup. All I need to do now is to wait, because now I have my stop loss. I'm actually entering here. This candle actually closed at 9 a.m. GMT. If you look on your screens now, I sent this signal out to my VIP and then to my trading community as well around 9 a.m. yesterday. The moment the signal was sent out, our 9 o'clock candle alone just instantly gave us how many pips. So we ran straight into profits. Our 9 o'clock candle alone gave us almost 90 pips on this setup, and it was in one morning. If you're able to make 90 pips quickly on just one setup, you can see how amazing your day will feel. So this analysis, I actually did it on the 4-hour. Remember, like I said in the beginning, because I'm very comfortable with using the 4-hour time frame, I can actually use it to scalp, I can use it to day trade, I can also use it to swing trade as well. It makes it the best time frame for me, in my opinion, because I'm able to do every single thing on this. I'm able to trade any style. I'm able to spot every single chart pattern I use. I'm able to apply all my trading techniques on the 4 hours. Money was made, everybody in the community was smiling, my VIP was on fire, my mentees as well went crazy. You can see screenshots of the profits of my mentees on your screen as well. So if you're not in my trading community, make sure you just click on the link in my description to join my trading community. We actually smashed both our take profits by the close of yesterday, exceeding 100 pips on this particular setup. So let's see how much we basically were able to make on this setup before 5 p.m. So it was simply all the way up here. We smashed our 100 pips. Now we want to see how it will actually play out the next day. So you realize that I have another consolidation on this same setup. So now I'm done trading from the bottom here. What do? I want to see if I'll be able to catch a continuation on this trade. And then you can see clearly there was another smooth continuation on it with a bullish continuation pattern. The same pattern I caught down here, I caught a broader form of it here with a breakout. I'm now seeking to catch another one here. The reason why I call it a continuation and not a breakout is because I wasn't expecting the market to reverse here. I was actually expecting a straightforward consolidation in here. Then it breaks right out of this zone. So you realize that we even had another trade on this scene. So we even have another trade running currently about 30 pips profit with the continuation we caught from this range as well. In summary, I caught a buy with my bullish continuation, as you can see here. In my previous video, I made mention of this bullish continuation. I told you it normally happens when you have a rise and then you have a consolidation after with a bullish confirmation in there. The market stretch came to this resistance, gave us a broader form of consolidation, which made me expect a breakout. We got our breakout, caught our buys with our stop loss right at the bottom of the range. We took our trade, we made over 100 pips. Woke up this morning, saw another form of consolidation again, expecting another breakout. So we are expecting this trade to actually keep going up as much as possible, as many continuations as we can catch as this as possible, or as many of my trading techniques I'm able to apply on this. I'll keep finding more trading setups on this. As I've basically said from the onset, the reason why understanding what a breakout is and being able to catch a breakout on any trade is very, very important, is because the market might not always reverse where you expect it to reverse. There's a lot of occasion where the market rather runs through the price or the range where you're expecting a reversal to actually happen, whether be it on a trend line, on a support, on a resistance, or any strategy you use to catch your trades. So you want me to shoot more educational content like this, make sure you like this video. Also make sure you're subscribed to the channel. It's very important. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also share this video to as many traders as possible. Keep up with me on my socials: KOMMONFOREX on Instagram, KOMMONFOREX on Twitter, KOMMONFOREX on Telegram, as well as KOMMONFOREX on TikTok. There's a link in the description which takes you straight to the KOMMONFOREX trading community, where this signal was actually sent out for free. If you are looking for a broker to trade with the best spreads, with the fastest and swiftest withdrawal, as well as deposits, there's a link in my description which takes you straight to the website of my broker, which enables you to create an account. They even have 24-hour customer service, which grants you assistance with regards to whatever information you might need when it comes to creating your account, as well as your deposits or your withdrawals. So as always, I want to thank you very much for joining me in today's video. I hope it was extremely educative for you. See you in the next video.